Hi everyone, and happy Vlogmas day 19. So I spent my morning getting caught up with a few more Vlogmas videos and just taking it easy. I got a delivery this morning of the stuff that I ordered for me and my besties trip. So that's fun, and also a Christmas present for myself that I ordered. So at least I got that taken care of. And speaking of Christmas shopping, I'm going to go last minute Christmas shopping on a Friday afternoon. So wish me luck. With my car not being the greatest, I cannot travel to the next town over or the other town that I wanted to go to, sadly. So I'll have to just stick to the shopping mall I have literally right next to me. Like, I'm fortunate enough to live right next to a big shopping mall, and I hardly go to it. I think I have a list. I'm gonna go to get some last minute stuff for my bestie and then for my other bestie. So honestly, I'm just going bestie Christmas shopping today. So wish me luck that I don't encounter too many crowds. So it's like 2 something right now. I have to get going and then come back, get dressed, and then go to my nightly mass. So come on, let's get going. So I made it to the mall. I forgot how close I live. So my first stop is H&M because she wanted basic t-shirts. And I think I know her size. She's mentioned it before, but am I going to text her? Yeah, she already knows I'm getting her basic white t-shirts from H&M. They're her favorite. So I'm gonna go look for some while I'm here, and then I'm just going to leave my car here because it's doing good, you know, since I didn't drive too far. I'm going to just walk around this mall, see if there's anything that I can spot for my besties. So come on, let's go Christmas shopping. I miss shopping at H&M. Ooh, there's so many fun things. Found the basic white tees. I'm just gonna get her a couple of them. So I think this is the one she wants, this size. Yay! So I found a section where it's like her vibe a little bit, but I don't know if I'm just gonna get her these or something else. But it's fun to go shopping. Let's check out. Ooh, whoa. Silly. Hello.
Can I help you today?
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
You too.
I don't know who's next.
With H&M, let's see where else we can go to. Coming here by myself because usually I come here with friends now and not by myself, so it's nice to have a nice solo shopping day. If it were up to me, I would probably get her shoes since she loves shoes. I know her size and everything, but I don't know which one she has, honestly. She has tons of shoes. Let's look in here, shall we? I got her a purple one of these. So, just because. I didn't find anything. Well, let's go to the next store.
And there's a strap on the
I don't know why I'm struggling to find gifts for my bestie. I mean, I do have a lot, but like, I don't know. I feel like I just buy her random gifts all the time. That now that it was her birthday and Christmas, I don't know what to get her. I know she wants me to buy her a G-Wagon if I ever win the lotto though. Can't afford that right now though. I just saw one, that's why. When all else fails, go to Target. Maybe I'll find something there. I already got my Christmas cards for them. Should I get her a little stuffy? She has so many and I bought her a few already. I'm gonna look in the Lego section because I think that's going to be her main present. I want to see if they have it here though. Get her something Disney since we're going to Disneyland. I don't know though. That's so cute. I have a baby flounder. Yep, I have this one. How cute. And then we have Sebastian. Should I get her the little guy from Rapunzel? I have no idea what his name is. Pascal, is that what his name is? I'm in the section. Should I get her this one? Because purple's her favorite color. I know she wants one. And I know which one she wants. But they don't have it. And she loves flowers and she loves purple. So I might get that one. Do I get her a horse to mess with her? This would be funny to get her, honestly. So I got the train for both of us for our friendship day. I kind of want this one though. Why? I mean, I do have bookends. Honestly, I would want that, but the price. I mean, I already just spent that much money for two of them in July. So I wanted to get her the Twilight House, but I don't see that either. I got her a hot pink car just because, see, I buy her gifts and when it comes to Christmas time, I don't know what to get her. Of course. I am just gonna get it for her. You know what? I'm not getting her the one that she wants. I think she's gonna get this one. It's purple flowers. She loves purple flowers. Oh, this is going to be her main gift. I hope that she doesn't have this already. I already know she told me to get the Game Boy one. Ooh, that's cute. We do love our Hello Kitty. She told me to get her the Game Boy one, but it's not here and it's in the next town over, so I don't think she has this one. If not, she can just return it, I guess. I don't know. I feel like it's a good gift. She loves her Legos. Nicole wanted makeup wipes, so I'm just gonna get her some good makeup wipes. Okay, I'm gonna go check out now. Got this, I didn't got this. I'm walking a long ways back to my car, but I'm done for now. I think I found something else for my bestie, but I have to get it online, and I'm getting her parents something as well. Yeah, cars are really loud around here. I am going to get my bestie and her parents like silk pillowcases. I think that's going to be fun. So I'm ordering that online instead. So I'm looking at my phone for that. And I might get one for my other bestie too. So I'm just gonna get silk pillowcases for them. That sounds fun. And I think for now, that's it. Such a pretty tree. So nice. I think that's where you take Santa photos. I don't think I've taken my Santa photos since 2019. So fun and festive. Honestly, if I could take a picture right here. Like, that could be a thumbnail. There we go. Well, I feel like that was pretty successful Christmas shopping. I might need more things, but honestly, I think I got everything. And I'm just gonna order the pillowcases and they're gonna come on Monday before Christmas, so that's good. I can get them here and I'm just gonna drive home now. I'm tired from walking all around this mall, so yeah, I have my purchases. It's okay to show it because I think she only watches my vlogs when I send it to her. She only watched day 13, which just went up today. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, edit some more, and that's probably going to be my day until I have to get dressed again to go to nightly mass. So let's drive home. Now, I just finished editing and exporting my video, and then I got all dressed. Honestly, I've been loving my elegant like church outfits. This one's quite fun. I went with a cream look, just filled my hydro flask, and then my bow is so fun. If I can get it out, look at how long it is. It's like a bridal bow a little bit, but who cares? It matches the cream. I don't have a cream bow. This is the only cream bow I have. So I am going to head out now. I'll see you at Mass. Thank you. So I just got done with church. My car is still overheating. I'm hoping that I can make it home, and I might have to take it into the shop. I called my uncle who gave me the car, and he thinks it might be the thermostat. I don't know, but I enjoyed church at least, and I'm just going to see if I can drive home.
We are day 19, Advent Calendar Day, and here we go. It looks like a, looks like a boot. Get it up here where you can see it. Yep, looks like a boot in my mouth. That's it for Advent Calendar Day 19. We'll see you tomorrow for Day 20. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, it's day 19 and we're going to open it, and it is, where to go? Up here. So let's open day 19. Ooh, what is it today? Oh, didn't we get this shape yesterday? It's like this Santa sack again, I think. I don't know if it repeated from yesterday, but cheers. And that is it for our Advent calendar today. We'll see you again tomorrow for day 20. Bye! Hi everyone, and happy Vlogmas day 20. A great start to my morning. I'm leaving my car at the repair shop and I'm walking home. Good thing there's one right next to me, so let's walk on home. As you can see, I'm back home now. I dropped my car off at the repair shop, and they said that they'll check it out and see what's up with it, why it's overheating. I'm quite sad that I had to leave it there. I walked home, and then I'm now just going to wait on it. I don't know when they'll get back to me, and I know it's the holiday season, so who knows. For now, I'm just going to edit my Vlogmas videos. I am so far behind. I don't know if I can catch up, but I'll try my best. And then I have to get ready for nightly mass again. I think I'm going to take an Uber to church, and then my bestie's driving me home, so that's going to be nice. But for now, I'm just going to try my best and get Vlogmas going, and then yeah, we'll just see what the day brings us. So I took an Uber, made it to church. Let's go.
Buenas noches. Today, we celebrate the fourth Sunday of Advent.
So as you can see, bestie's driving me home because my car is still not working. So yay, I get to spend time with her. The only upside of my car not working. Hello. Oh, we're talking. Hello. How nice. Hello, so I'm back home from nightly mass and I got to hang out with my bestie. We had girly chats all evening, so that was fun. We got to hang out in person together, so didn't film any of that because our conversations are very funny is all I'm gonna say. So now I'm going to take a shower. I'm actually going out with my other bestie tomorrow, so that's exciting. I don't know what we're doing yet, but we're going to do our exchange gift and then probably go to lunch, take some pictures like we did whatever Vlogmas day that was it day 6? I forgot what day that was, but we're gonna hang out because we're not gonna see each other before Christmas, so this is our last chance. So I'm really excited for that. So I'm gonna shower, put on my Christmas pajamas, and then wrap her gifts, so we'll be ready for tomorrow. So those are my evening plans. So I made tater tots and I'm gonna have a sandwich from the church earlier and chocolate milk. So that is currently my dinner. So while I'm eating my dinner, I pulled out my beret and I noticed there's a hole. So I'm trying to sew it closed so I can wear it tomorrow because I wanted to wear a beret instead of a bow. So yeah, let me see if I can fix it. Hopefully I can. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. I'm not very good at sewing though.
Here we are, day 20, Advent Calendar Day. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it looks like a star. Here we go. That's pretty good. Okay, that's it for day 20. We'll go to day 21 tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.
It's Advent calendar time and we are going to do day 20 and mine is all the way up here. And ooh, it looks like a J, but it is a little stocking. And then a cute stocking. Cheers. And that is day 20 of our Advent calendar. We'll see you again tomorrow for day 21. Bye!
Bye-bye.